Hey everybody, thanks for dropping by again. This week, donuts, live music, and I draw that pistol in Illustrator. All the B-roll footage today is going to be all the stuff we can't eat. Really? Yeah. Why do we have to go to the farmer's market to buy donuts in here?
We need gluten free donuts.
So whenever we're looking for pastry items, we've got to go searching for them. Today we're going to go to this farmer's market.
It burned down.
It burned down. We're gonna go to a different farmer's market because we actually wanted to hang around the farmer's market a little bit, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. We might have been better sticking at the other place where there was one counter. Now there's like hundreds of counters. Excuse me, do you sell the Mountain Rhino donuts? It's turning into a hard adventure because we can't find these donuts anywhere. Maybe these guys know. Okay, thanks. Mom said it would be an adventure today, so I didn't think she was right. The first farmer's market burnt down. The second farmer's market didn't have the donuts we're looking for. Now we're gonna go to a cafe and hopefully they're there. Fingers crossed?
Yeah. $25 for 6 donuts.
$25 for 6 donuts. How much per donut?
$4.25 per donut.
Wow. Those better be some damn good donuts.
You guys ready for this?
Yes.
Yay!
They look good. They look expensive.
It's true. They're too expensive.
Well, I'm not sure that these are worth $4.
Is it worth $4.25?
No.
It was good, but it wasn't amazing. So, no.
Contrary to popular opinion, yes, because they were tasty. And everyone should eat tasty donuts.